look guys, so the berries that we pick. Daddy make it a
Vinbärkaka.
bimber cookies. It's not a cookies.
Cake.
It's like a cake, like that. Ayan. Diba? Ayan na yun guys. Yun na yun.
Är det bagare?
That's the daddy's pick the red berries and make a coca cakes. Ayun lang guys. Thanks for watching. Heart, comment, follow, share. That's daddy homemade cake. Oh, the red berries that we pick. And now, he's making a cake. Oh, diba? Ayan. Diba? Serious. Diba? Oh, very serious. Then, thank you sa aming gift. Ayan. The homemade red berry cake. Oh. Ayan na guys. Nakakit na yung nakikita yung pangit namin gamit. Nakakalat ang kalat ko. Ayan. Ayan lang. Thanks for watching. Heart, comment, follow, share.